Did you know that cracking your knuckles creates the same sound as a tiny explosion? It looks like you're grinding your bones together, but you're actually creating cavitation bubbles. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid that contains dissolved gases. When you crack your knuckles, you're rapidly stretching the joint space. This creates a vacuum that forms gas bubbles, and when they instantly collapse, they make that satisfying pop sound. So that scary bone grinding noise is just tiny bubbles bursting. Your joints are completely fine. We always remind you to comment and subscribe for more new content.